Welcome back to the Fuji Guys channel. My name is Francis. So in this series of video, we're going to take a look on how to use certain features of the X100V. So the X100V features a built-in 4 stops ND filter, and the way to activate it by default is that you're going to pull on this lever right here for a couple seconds. So let me just show you. There you go. And then disable it, pull again. Now, if you wanted to have it on a different button, what you could do is press on the display back button for a couple seconds. That's going to bring up all your function buttons, and then you select the one you want. Let's just use this one, and then you go and find the ND filter. Just click here, and then now when I push the AEL AFL button, I toggle between the ND on and off. So that's how you use the ND filter on the Fujifilm X100V.